Bro, these joints right here gonna have y'all outside howling. Yeah, and we're about to take a look at them. Let's get it.
So proud they got the shoes on that. Scrub my feet, you ain't seen it yet. Nah, heat in the box, every drop, that's a bet. Got the info that you need, keep your sneaker on flick. Lace up, tapping. You can feel that rush. Thumb on the screen, then you hit that sub. Select few pair, yeah, we talk that daily. Get one vid, you gon' feel that crazy. Stay tuned to the channel, don't miss nothing.
YouTube, what is happening? What is going on? Y'all already know who it is, bro. I am back again with yet another early review just for you. Y'all know what I'm saying? Today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 5 Wolf Grays, man. Scheduled to return this year, bro, in February. And what do I think about these? I think these are fire. What you guys are looking at right now, bro, is a upcoming Jordan 5 release, bro, that a lot of people are talking about in the sneaker community, saying that they may or may not need. Now, do I need these in my collection? Heck yeah, bro, because these to me are fire. The materials that they used on this particular Jordan Wolf Gray 5 is insane and done very well. You know what I'm saying? Just to let y'all know. You feel me? Yeah. But before we take a look at mine, I gotta let you guys know that over here on my channel, I do retail reviews and I do unauthorized reviews over here. Y'all know what I'm saying? Now, today's pair, however, is an unauthorized pair brought to us by the plug. That's right, bro. The plug is back again, man. And I'm talking about one of the best plugs in the game. I'm talking about none other than my people over there at mykicks.ru. That's right, man. My Kicks sent these over for us to take a look at today, bro. And My Kicks been kicking butt with every single solitary release that they've been sending over here, man. You want to talk about quality, you want to talk about communication, you want to talk about fast delivery. These guys right here ain't no joke. Believe that, man. You know what I'm talking about. And of course, I'd like to shout My Kicks out one more time, bro, for sending us over some heat to take a look at, because hey, man, y'all did y'all thing with these. Believe that. And if you need a pair, bro, hey, y'all already know what I'm gonna tell y'all, man. Hey, if you like what you see, look at here, bro, don't be afraid to HUTP. That's right, bro. Hit up the plug, man. And of course, my good people over there at mykicks.ru will take great care of who? They will take great care of you, Playboy. Believe that. Yes, sirski. Also, guys, before I move on into the shoes, man, y'all please, bro, make sure y'all give me a follow over there on Instagram. If y'all want to know anything about the kid and what I got going on, bro, hey, hit me up over there. Also, if you're new here, man, you know what I'm saying? Before you get up out of here, bro, hit that notification bell as well. It will save your life. Yes, it will, bro. You definitely want to be notified when your boy go live and when I do these reviews over here on the channel. Y'all feel me? All right. Now, with all that out of the way, we're about to dive off into these things. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Let's go ahead, bro, and get straight off into these by checking out the box. Now, gang, when it comes to the Wolf Gray 5s, bro, we got a 5 box. You know what I'm saying? Typically the 5 box is black with the cement on the bottom. Y'all know what I'm saying? But with the Wolf Grays, they switched it up for us a little bit. They gave us a gray box with a white Jordan Jumpman in the center right there. Y'all know what I'm saying? The box itself is completely grayed out. Y'all know what I'm talking about? But we do get that cement just like the regular Jordan 5 box that comes with the black lid and all black. Up under the bottom of this guy, y'all see you got gray up underneath, and you got a little bit of verbiage right there in that white Jordan Jumpman down there in the bottom. As we open this guy up, no stamps or stickers or anything like that up underneath the lid. Do we got a YDM sticker on the inside? No, we do not have a YDM on the inside. The only thing we got is the cardboard divider and that white piece of trash paper that they give us with these. So nothing special on the inside of the box, bro. Just a regular 5 box, bro, with a gray coat of paint on it. Y'all know what I'm saying? Now, with the box out of the way, bro, because that's pretty much the box in a nutshell, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these Wolf Gray 5s. Now, guys, when it comes to the Wolf Gray 5s, bro, Y'all take a look at that, bro. Hold on, let me get this in here, man. Let me move my mic out the way. Move my mic. Bro, look at that. Look at the materials on this. This is fire. They really turning it up a notch, bro. Especially with the quality on these, man. Quality of these is insane, man. That leather, bro, it looked like elephant skin. I don't know if they made this to look like an elephant, bro, because it's gray. Y'all know what I'm saying? And the pachyderms is gray. Y'all feel me? But this looked like elephant skin, bro, for real. But it's a beautiful leather, bro, that they got on this. It feels kind of like suede and leather, bro, because it's got a little bit of movement to it. Y'all know what I'm saying? It might be suede. I don't know, bro. It could be suede they got on here. But I do know one thing, bro. This right here is a great material. I don't know where they got this from or the idea to do it like this, but I love it. Y'all feel me? But all gray leather upper, bro. And again, bro, look at that. Very nice. And you got, again, these wrinkly marks all the way throughout. Back here towards the heel of it, though, you do have that 2-3 right there towards the heel right there. And again, shout out Nike for doing this, bro. They kept the 2-3 in the OG format, which a lot of people had asked for, bro. So that just goes to show, man, the guys over there at Nike, they do be paying attention to what we want as consumers. Y'all know what I'm saying? And on the back of this guy, y'all can see right there, we got the white Jordan Jumpman on the back. Y'all see that right there? And then here's the medial side right here, bro, with that translucent window right there. They did a good job with this, bro. There y'all go right there. The toe on this guy, look at that, man. Beautiful, bro. Look at the stitch work, man. I'm talking about, bro, these people ain't playing no games at all. As far as the midsole go, you got a all gray midsole on that, and my air bubble is air bubbling. Believe that. Y'all see that right there. Yes, sir. You got the shark teeth right there. This is a Tinker design, bro. So you guys already know this right here is a special one right here, bro. Underneath, you got a iced out outsole with the Jordan Jumpman right there up underneath, bro. Yeah, guys, the Wolf Gray 5s, man, I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be one that a lot of people gonna want. Are they gonna see it? I don't know. I don't want to say they are. I don't want to say if they are or are not. You know what I'm saying? Because again, this is a sneaker that we haven't seen around for a long time, and a lot of people want these. Believe that. But on the inside of this guy, you got all white guts off on the inside of this, bro. And again, the plug, this is one of the best ones that I've seen that have been sent over, bro. But all white guts on the inside. You do got that black Jordan Jumpman right there in the floor of this guy with a white floor, bro. And it's laced up with some gray laces. So you guys can see the gray laces right there. And at the top, you got that lace lock and you got the gray lock. Gray tongue with the gray Jumpman. Y'all see him right there. Yes, sirski. And again, bro, they've done a just amazing job with getting the tongue right on these, bro. They ain't playing not a game with these, bro. But guys, the Wolf Gray 5, man, y'all know what I'm saying, bro. This is actually my third pair of these, and they keep getting better and better as I receive them. But you guys get down in the comments, bro. Let me know how y'all feel about the Wolf Gray 5. Is this something that you guys are gonna want in y'all collection, bro? If so, get down there and let me know, man. You know what I'm saying? Again, shout out to the plug for sending these over, man. These are beautiful. Y'all know what I'm saying? Now, I'm not gonna hold y'all up. I gotta get ready to get up out of here, bro, because I have a ton of more reviews that I got to do. So listen, guys, y'all stay safe out there. Stay doing your thing. Stay prayed up. And of course, I will see you guys in the next review, man. I'm up out of here, y'all. I am gone.
So proud you got the shoes on that. Scrub my feet, you ain't seen it yet. Nah, heat in the box, every drop, that's a bet. Got the info that you need. Keep your sneaker on flick. Lace up, tapping. You can feel that rush. Thumb on the screen, then you hit that sub. Select few pair, yeah, we talk that daily. Get one vid, you gon' feel that crazy. Stay tuned to the channel, don't miss nothing. Rockin' with your boy, keep the info pumping. Subscribe on the screen, better click that quick. Get the scoop on the kicks, yeah, I did that shit.
unboxed on cam, you can see that shine. Textile swinging, you can tell it's mine. On foot shot, yeah, we step so clean. From the lace to the sole, whole fit on theme.